So, you know, you bought Doku and you said that you've been underwhelmed.
Yeah.
You've bought Kovacic. You've bought certain players that haven't replaced the players that have gone out. If they don't get you over the line, are you expecting them to be sold?
No, the certain players I want, they're more bigger than them. There's players I've said to City fans, I said, the first thing I look at is look at the bench. Sergio Gomez. Have we utilized him? No. Why is he there for? Why is he there? Calvin Phillips. Why is he there? They're wasting my time on the bench. I'm so bad that sometimes I've got two keepers. I had Scott Carson or take on my bench. Rico Lucas is only 18. I rate Rico Lewis, but he's 18. Micah Hamilton, Sassuolo, Calvin Phillips, and another guy, Hamilton. Those, bro, I saw my bench. I thought, yo, if you went and saw the Real Madrid and say, yo, this is the team's bench, world champ, they'll laugh at you and say, what a joke. I want to face them again. Because if they got injury, bro, it's a joke.
What about Vardio?
I think I'll tell you one thing about him. There's certain players that you see, they need time. I'll give you, Vardio is going to be a top player. And I put my name there, 100%. Vardio, he progresses the ball. He can play from the back. Pep is playing left back to try and give him the composure. Like that Stones. Remember Stones when he came into City first season, 2 seasons? He was flopping, yes or no? Remember Arsenal linked with buying him? What happened to Stones now? One of the best centre-backs in the world. The best.
Yeah, you even played him as a DM.
Exactly. Ake. What did they say about Ake? What did they say about Ake? Do you remember I got dunked 5-2 with Leicester City? Yeah, I was losing the league after Liverpool had won the league already. And then we had to sign Ruben Diaz. Ake was appalling that season. Yeah, what happened? There's certain players that they get given time and they elevate. Grealish first season and Grealish second season. Last season, Grealish was one of the best Man City players. Rodri first season. They used to call him Plodri because he was so stiff. They said this guy is stiff. But he learned from Fernandinho. The problem is we got players that we bring players and they learn from great players. You sign players that can't learn from great players. We got Rodri came and learned from Fernandinho, and he saw David Silva and Fernandinho and Yaya Toure is there. So he needed time, bro. Imagine you training with them every day. You become better. Yes or no? You become better. Yeah. Modric needed time at Real Madrid. So Vardio, he's a top signing. If he didn't sign for us, he's Madrid bound. Those are just players. I've seen him on the ball. He's very good. He's 20 years old. He's not 26. He's 20 years old or 21. So I think he'll get better. And guess what? Defenders peak at 28, 29, 30. He's like 7 years away from that. That's why I look at Saliba and think impeccable. 23-year-old playing like this. He's only going to get better. How do you play like this?
Yeah, but would you give him 7 years to get good though, Hamza?
No. Vardio, mark my words, next season you're going to see amazing Vardio.
So you're giving him one more season?
Vardio is going to be amazing. Ask any City fan that criticizes. No one I've ever met any City fan that criticizes Vardio. We've seen him playing left back, other than making little mistakes in Chelsea. He's impeccable, bro. He plays the ball. He doesn't get passed. He's amazing. He was voted one of the best players in the World Cup, top 3 best players in the World Cup.
Listen, I think defensively this season, you ain't been looking that great defensively.
Because
and
there's because there's no one playing next to Rodri. Pep's playing Alvarez as a number 8 to number 10. What are we doing here? Because we didn't sign Kovacic is injury prone. It's not because Kovacic is bad. Kovacic has been injury prone. Now Pep is like, I can't play Kovacic. He might get injured again. I told City fans, I said, Kovacic is a good player. I love Kovacic. But why didn't we look at his medical records? Do you see what I'm saying? My guy gets injured a lot. So the question is, we did not get the Gundogan guy. And that's why next season, they are going to get better. Next season is long for everyone because City have realized Calvin Phillips, you're out the door. Gomez, you're out the door. Cancelo, don't worry, he's not part of it. They're going to do a lot of overhaul. And City are going to get better next season. City are going to win the league next season. This year, I just want them to just take it over the edge. Because if these guys are not taking advantage of this weak City side, this is the best time for you to win the league. Best season. I'm telling you now. I'll City fans. This is the weakest City side that we've had for years.
Yeah, this is the weakest City side, yeah? So you think if Liverpool and Arsenal don't take advantage next season, it's long, yeah?
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. See, I'm already hearing the names that we're linked with. We're hearing the name. Paqueta's definitely is coming. He's definitely coming. He's a quality player. We're hearing another player might be coming through. Yeah. City are planning, revamp. Calvin Phillips not good. Thank God he's not coming back. We're getting another DM. So we're getting a player who's versatile. And Pep Guardiola knows once he sees he made a mistake, he always gets better. He's sorry against when he didn't sign a player against Company. When Company retired, he made a mess and he didn't sign anyone. Guess what? The season after that, they won the league. They went and recruited. See, you're going to recruit 100% perfect. Next season, they're eating good. But this season, if you don't take advantage of this weak City side, yeah, with KDB that's been out for 6 months, with no Gundogan, with they've lost Mahrez, they've lost Laporte, they're just building a new team, you're in trouble. Next season, they're going to eat good. Doku, I don't think he's going to be the main guy. But this season, Sunday is a game. Sunday's a game. Pep is gonna give them a bollocking for Sunday to make sure they win that game on Sunday. This Sunday is war. Is war. They have to deliver. Sundays they have to deliver 100% in Etihad. Yeah, and fans know it. This is the game that we need to end one of our rivals. And we can't give you a win. No chance. No chance. It's a blow.
Fair enough.
They're under pressure. We're under pressure. That's the game. I need the fans. There's certain games that we play. We had our fans proper loud, and you can see like Champions League game when we kept losing Real Madrid and Bayern. The fans were just there, bro, and you could see it was loud. And I went to the Arsenal game. It was loud as well. Yeah, I think this Sunday our players are coming for that. I'm telling you now. And I think your players will be nervous. I think your players will be nervous and will edge it. Will edge it. Because City players will come for you. As soon, the way you beat us in that defeat, and the way the Arsenal have been talking about the game, and the way they acted when, remember this coming there between the Kyle Walker and the other City ex-coach at the end of the game. Bro, City fans, City players will not forget. Mark my words. Mark my words. They're not forgetting this. They're all getting ready for this. They will know this is the game and when Etihad is a big game. Etihad, when they're ready for it, I've seen them turn around Madrid. I remember how many times Madrid have come to Manchester City Etihad and they got rattled. Forget last season, the season before that. They're on ropes. Bro, it's mad. So I need this. I think we're edging that. We're edging that. People say Arsenal winning. I'm thinking, bloody hell, God forbid. That's gonna be mad.
Do you know